credit impact if I do foreclose or short sale? So typically your score will drop from 100 to 160 points. A short sale is much less severe. The recovery time, again, it takes about 3 years for a noticeable credit score improvement. The credit report reports your foreclosure for 7 years and reports the short sale for 4 years. So it's critical that you focus on rebuilding your credit. So rebuilding your credit means being timely with your payments, ensuring all debt payments are made on time. A really good tip for that is to have things on auto pay. Credit utilization is really important. Keep your credit card balances low. And then have a credit mix. You want to maintain different kinds of credit types, installment loans, revolving credit, and then you want to monitor your credit. So you can pay for services to help you monitor your credit if someone's checking your credit or running your credit, or to see if your payment or your score went up or down. So in terms of like a down payment at that point, you're going to want to aim for about 10 to 20% to demonstrate financial responsibility. So there's a lot of lenders and programs out there that can help you. Just make sure that you get with your real estate agent to see what the best options are for you.